it's friends in the bottle, it's Nicki full throttle, it's all. Swimming in the grotto, we winning in the lotto, we dipping in the pot of blue photo. Getting so good, it's dripping on wood, get a ride in that engine that could go. Batman robbing it, bang bang cocking it, Queen Nicki dominant, prominent. It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they sorry. Riders up like a Harley, then pull off in this Ferrari. If he hanging, we banging. Phone ringing, he slanging. It ain't karaoke night, but get the mic 'cause I'm singing. B to the A, to the N to the G. B to the A, to the N to the G. Hey.
See anybody come be good to you? You need a back out up on your mind, your mind.
Okay.
Bang bang into the room. Know you want it. Bang bang all over you. Let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute,
Yeah,
bang bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang bang, see the look on her. I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you. Let me take you. Wait a minute, say it. Bang bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang bang all over you.
Yo, I said bang bang, bang 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 bang, bang bang bang, bang bang bang.
Bang bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang bang, see the look on her. I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, say it.
Every man has his own special dream, and that dream's just about to come true. Life's not as bad as it may seem if you open your eyes to what's in front of you. Be a dream girl. Dream girl.
Boys will make you happy.
Will make you happy.
We're your dream girls.
Dream girl.
Boys will always care. We're your dream girls. Dream girls will never leave you.
Never, 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 never leave you. And all you got to do is dream. All you got to do is dream.
Just dream it out, baby. We'll be.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Moulin Rouge.
Where's all my soul sisters? Let me hear your flow, sisters.
Hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, flow, sister, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, go. Him and Mama lie down on Moulin Rouge, strutting her stuff on the street. She said, hello, hey, Jill, you wanna give it a go? Get you, yeah, yeah, da, da. Get you, yeah, yeah, here. Mocha chocolate, yeah, yeah.
Let them know we bout that cake straight out the gate. We independent women, some mistake us for whores. I'm saying, why spend mine when I can spend yours? Disagree? Well, that's you, and I'm sorry. I'ma keep playing these cats out like a car. High heel shoes, getting love from the dudes, 4 badass chicks from the Moulin Rouge.
Hey, sisters, soul sisters, better get that dough, sisters.
We drink wine with diamonds in the glass by the case, the meaning of expensive taste.
You want an inche, ay, ay.
Come on.
Mocha chocolate.
What? Rio Lady Mama. One more time, come on.
Christina, Pink, Lil' Kim, Maya, Rottweiler, baby, Moulin Rouge, Misdemeanor here.
Just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Ooh, yeah. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes, going out of my head, lost in a fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby. What kind of dream is this? Sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare? Either way, I don't wanna wake up from your sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's so good to be true. My guilty pleasure, I ain't going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on air. 'Cause you're mine. Oh, a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wake up from you. Tattoo your name across my heart. Not even death can make us part. What kind of dream is this? Oh, Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen.